So I'm in my studio today. It's mid-January. It's been a long time since I've thrown anything since before Christmas. So I'm anxious to get back at it. I want to have some fun. I want to do some stuff. It is cold and blowy and gross here in Canada. Let me just show you. Yeah. Doesn't look like much, but it is very windy and very cold, but it's beautiful. Anyway, so today I'm going to attempt to do a few salt cellars or salt pigs or something like that. For some reason they're super popular and I think they're really cute. So I need something to hold my salt, so I might as well make some. And I want to make some more mugs. I've had lots of people ask me about mugs, so I want to make a few different kinds, a few of the combos that I have floating in my head. So yeah, let's get to it. as great as I thought it was going to be. The salt pigs were kind of a disaster, but I haven't thrown in, well, a very long time. So I got 4 mugs started, 3 salt pigs, and yeah, some mishaps. But that's what we get when we throw pottery. And now we need to clean up. Hey, so yesterday, I threw some mugs and some salt pigs, and today I need to trim them, and I also need to put handles on them. So that's what I did now. And I just thought I might as well show you how I do my handles, or how I cut my handles and get ready for them to go on. And maybe kind of do a little intro. I've never really introduced myself. My name's Carlin. I'm in Canada. It is really cold here today, like minus 30 degrees Celsius without the wind. So with the wind, it's a little bit cooler yet. And yeah, we got lots of snow, all that kind of good stuff. But I live in a really small farming community in rural Manitoba. And we also have a small farm with cattle and stuff like that. And yeah, I am very fortunate to be able to do all of the different things that I like to do. And I actually do have a video planned about all the different things that I do as a hobby, because if you've read my bio, which please go and do so, I do call myself a hobby addict, and I am. I really am. But anyway, let's get these mugs cut, because that's pretty much my intro. That's pretty much who I am. I started YouTube because I had found this new passion for something in pottery, and YouTube really helped me learn so much and want to try so many different things, and all the wonderful people on here that are so inspiring. I'll tag some of my favorite people in my description for you to go take a look at them, follow them, because they're wonderful. And it really inspired me to want to share my journey as a brand new potter, to share it with everybody who's maybe thinking about it, or who thinks I can't do it because I live in a small town. You totally can. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to inspire people to try something new, to do something different, to expand what they are learning already, or try something new, or add something to whatever they're already doing. I am not a YouTube expert. I am not a video expert, and I definitely am not somebody who enjoys showing their face on the internet. But I decided to put myself out there. I actually watched a video that said nobody really cares what you put on YouTube, so just go and do it. So I kind of took that and run with it, and that's exactly kind of what I feel like I'm doing. Hopefully my videos get a little bit better. Hopefully, and if they don't, well, that's kind of just because I don't have much time to put in them, but I am doing my best. And if you have watched me ramble for this long, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel so it can go out to all the people who want to be inspired to try something new. But anyway, let's cut some handles and shape some handles. I already did a couple with a different color clay that I only had 2. Yesterday was the first time that I threw in 2025, and it's like mid-January. So it's been a while since I've thrown anything. So I was a little rusty. So only about half of what I wanted to actually throw came out yesterday. And, but that's okay. It's a little less for me to do today. Anyway, I rolled out the second color of clay. I just use these little measuring guides. I think you can get them on Amazon. I don't even know if I'm allowed to say Amazon, but that's where I got them. I'm not sponsored, obviously. And I just use an X-Acto knife and cut. And I use them for how big I want my handles also, because I found they come out to almost perfect, exactly the size that I want. They fit nice in your hand, and it's easy to make them very symmetrical, which is another thing about me. I'm very type A personality. I like things the way that I like them. I like things to be even. I like things to match. And I think that is what intrigues me the most about pottery is that you can try and try and try, and everything will be pretty much the same, but they're all a little bit different because it's handmade. And even with my personality where I like things to match, I like things symmetrical, pottery makes my brain focus on different things. I don't know if that makes sense, but it just makes me enjoy the process that much more. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but it's just my ramble for the day, I guess. Okay. So I also got these little templates on Amazon. They come in a pack of 12 or 13, and they work great. I know that there's obviously more professional ways of doing it, like pulling, for example. I have not tried pulling yet. I am still trying to get my design fully down. So pulling isn't on my list at the moment because I enjoy the way that these look. And if you can pull a handle, more power to you. I'm happy that you can do it. I cannot at the moment. Maybe one day I'll be able to. Maybe I'll make a video about trying it, but at the moment, I don't do it. So I just take these, leave it like that. If there's anything that you'd like to know about me that I feel comfortable sharing, let me know in the comments. But yeah, feel free to ask me anything you want in the comments. And if it's something that I want to answer, I will. But yeah, I'm pretty simple when it comes to who I am. So anyway, I got my handles done. Like I said, I didn't make very many things last night. But these need to dry for a little bit before I can attach them. Plus I need to trim them. So that's probably what you'll see next in this video. I feel like I've rambled on long enough. And yeah, like I said, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. Again, please consider liking and subscribing because that helps me push out my content to those that want to watch it. Anyway, I will see you guys when I get trimming.